Hey guys, we have a cool episode for you. We are going to be showing how machines work and how the joysticks and all the stuff and buttons and steering wheels work on a John Deere Mini 50G. Hey guys, welcome to Planet Bentley. Today we're going to look at this machine and see how all this works. Okay, so guys, we're going to go to the front all the way to the back. So you are probably already know what this is. This is the bucket and this is the claw. And these are the hydraulics. And this is all the boom. And now we're working our way to the middle. So how the machine moves it's on tracks. Okay, so this is where the diesel goes, which we talked about like an hour ago. Okay, so guys, this is the counterweight, and now we are finally moving on to the engine. Okay guys, we had a little bit of trouble, but now we're going to open this baby up. So as you see right here, we got the diesel engine. So now we're heading to the side. Here we have the radiator, the battery, and the hydraulic fluid. The blade always pushes stuff like this, and also dirt. So now we're going to go into the cab. Okay guys, so make sure you have 3 points of contact when entering the machine. Okay guys, now we are in the machine. So we are not going to turn it on. So you guys probably already know what all this stuff is. So this is, we can go foot or hand. I go hand, guys, so that's also hand. This is the machine which moves the whole cabin with the boom. And right here we got the bucket mover. So this button right here, you might be curious. So it moves the claw. So we talked about that like 3 minutes ago. So now we are going to exit the machine. Okay, so that is it for today. Hopefully this video doesn't get banned, guys. I'm telling you right now. Last time it got banned, so I'll see you in the next video, guys, and we're going to learn about more machines. Don't forget to like and subscribe and also hit that bell. I'll see you in the next video. Man, it is cold out here today.